What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make my pineapple ginger bulla. But before we jump into this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more awesome content. Now here I have some brown sugar that I'll be dissolving in about half a cup of water. And as always, guys, the recipe is always listed in the description box, so you could go ahead and check that out. To that, I'm going to add some molasses. Some vanilla extract. And my pureed pineapple. Now I had peeled and pureed this myself, so this is fresh pineapple. You could always use canned pineapple. Now onto my dry ingredients. Here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and we have a bunch of spices. We have ground ginger, ground cinnamon, allspice, grated nutmeg, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. And of course, I'll list the measurement in the description box so you know exactly how much to use. I'm going to add my freshly grated ginger. And my butter. Now I'm going to use my hands to dissolve or work the butter into the flour with the ginger. Guys, you could use a fork or something else if you don't mind, but when you use your hand, you know what it feels like and you have an idea when you reach the perfect consistency. Now this is the consistency we want to have, like a breadcrumb texture. Now we're going to add our wet mixture in small amount. We might not use all of it, so you don't want to pour everything in and then it's too wet. So you want to pour it little at a time. And guys, remember to share my video, give the video a thumbs up, and of course, when you subscribe, turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my uploads. Now we want the dough to be somewhat soft, not too wet and not too hard. So when you work it in, you know exactly when you reach the perfect consistency. Now we're going to allow this to sit for about 20 minutes and then we roll it out. Just gonna sprinkle my surface with some flour, guys. You want to go in generous with the flour. Don't be afraid here, because it's a very sticky dough, but not so sticky. But you want to make sure you have enough flour on your work surface so it's more manageable. Now guys, when you roll this out, you could roll it into any size you want or any shape. The option is endless when it comes to you rolling it out. You could do whatever you want. I'm gonna cut out 2 sizes. I'm gonna make some small one, yeah, a little bit bigger one. Yeah, done. I'm gonna bake these 350 for 15 minutes. Here they are. Bulla smell good. Now I'm gonna brush these with some melted butter just as they come out the oven. And guys, you could serve this up with your anything you like. In Jamaica, we normally serve this up with pear, cheese, or even butter. So just pick a favorite side, choose one, and just enjoy. Let me tell you guys, these bulla were amazing. Personally, I prefer mine with the pear, but you know, I did it with the cheese because you know I have to say, all right, promote cheese. Thanks for watching, guys. Until then, I'll see you in another one.